Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add text in Shotcut 2023 tutorial for beginners. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So what you have to do first, let's open Shotcut, and then here to add text to our video, here I have a video. What we have to do is just to head over to filters, and here click on filters. And then here in filters, just make sure you click on this button, on this icon here, click on add. From here you can add a bunch of different effects, and you can also add text. So right click text, and here select text simple. And now we have text to our video, as you can see. And just select our text, and now once you write here text, and that's simple, you can simply from here, let's delete time code, and here write your text, how to browser. And now here we can use some presets, slide out, bottom, so you have this effect, say bottom left, or just slide in front from top. And now let's change our font. I'm gonna use some green text. Now it's outline. We can also use some outline, increase outline, as you can see here, and we can increase thickness. If you increase thickness, as you can see, the text, the outline will increase. Now let's add background, and we're gonna add some white background. And as you can see, we have white background. Now you can also from here add, use defaults, and if you want you can move the text. Okay, and you can also check this so you can use fonts. So now you can here use a bunch of different fonts available for you. Now we can also set the text where we want, and you can use position, size, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.